Eye makeup has fascinated people for centuries, transforming faces and boosting confidence across cultures and eras. The benefits of eye makeup go beyond simply looking good, from enhancing natural beauty and expressing creativity to boosting self-esteem and even offering some practical protection. Eye makeup plays a multifaceted role in many people's lives. At its core, eye makeup is about accentuating the eyes, often considered the most expressive and captivating feature of the face. One of the primary benefits is the ability to highlight a person's natural eye shape and color. With the right application of eyeshadow, eyeliner, and mascara, the eyes appear more defined and prominent. Light, shimmery shadows can make eyes look bigger and brighter, while deftly applied liner can elongate or widen the eyes, creating a striking focal point. For those who might feel their eyes lack definition or appear tired, a touch of mascara or a gentle swipe of concealer around the eye area can instantly revitalize the face. Beyond enhancement, eye makeup serves as a powerful tool for self-expression. Through colors, textures, and creative designs, individuals can reflect their personality, mood, or even their identity. For some, this means a subtle, natural look that fits a busy workday, while for others, bold colors or intricate eyeliner shapes are a way to stand out or celebrate special occasions. From smoky eyes to graphic lines or playful pops of color, makeup empowers people to experiment, transform, and confidently present themselves in countless ways. Eye makeup can also help balance facial features. For example, those with closely set eyes can use lighter shades on the inner corners and darker tones on the outer corners to create the illusion of more distance. People with deep-set eyes might apply specific shades to bring out their eyes, making them appear larger and more open. In this way, makeup becomes a tool of artistry, allowing each person to tailor their appearance in ways that feel harmonious to them. Another important benefit of eye makeup is its capacity to boost self-esteem and encourage confidence. Many find that incorporating even a small amount of makeup into their daily routine helps them feel more put together and ready to face the world. This isn't just about looking different. It's an act of self-care. Applying makeup can be a calming, empowering ritual, signaling the transition into a new day or preparing for social or professional gatherings. For those navigating personal challenges or lacking confidence in their appearance, eye makeup often provides a sense of control and comfort. On certain occasions, eye makeup offers practical benefits as well. For example, a specialized product like waterproof mascara or smudge-proof eyeliner is designed to withstand various conditions, such as heat, humidity, or tears. This ensures the wearer looks fresh and poised no matter the situation. Likewise, some makeup products contain beneficial ingredients like vitamins and conditioners, designed to nourish the lashes and the delicate skin around the eyes. Some even include SPF, offering added protection against harmful UV rays. Eye makeup can play an essential part for those with certain medical conditions or after cosmetic procedures. Those with conditions such as alopecia, which leads to loss of eyebrows or eyelashes, often use makeup to recreate the look of natural brows and lashes, restoring confidence and helping to maintain a sense of routine. Similarly, individuals undergoing chemotherapy or other treatments may use eye makeup to enhance their features and feel more like themselves during a challenging time. Culturally, eye makeup possesses rich significance, frequently symbolizing beauty, status, or even spiritual meaning. In ancient Egypt, bold eyeliner was not just a fashion statement, but was believed to ward off evil spirits and protect the eyes from the harsh desert sun. Today, decorative eye makeup plays a vital role in many cultural celebrations and rituals. Wearing eye makeup can be a way of honoring tradition, expressing group identity, or participating in meaningful events. For many people, learning to do eye makeup is a journey of skill building and artistry. As they explore different techniques, color palettes, and finishes, they develop a creative outlet that's both engaging and satisfying. Whether it's mastering the perfect winged liner or experimenting with trending palettes, the process of applying eye makeup is often rewarding in itself. The learning curve encourages patience, precision, and an understanding of color and shape that can translate to other creative aspects of life. In recent years, the beauty industry has responded to the growing demand for gentle, high-quality eye makeup. Today's products are often formulated to be safe for sensitive eyes, contact lens wearers, and people with allergies. Many brands prioritize ingredients that are dermatologist and ophthalmologist tested, providing options for those who want to enjoy the benefits of eye makeup without irritation. In a world filled with social media, eye makeup has also become a way to connect with others. Makeup artists and enthusiasts share tutorials, tips, and transformation stories, building communities centered on creativity and confidence. This shared passion bridges gaps across age, background, and experience, uniting people who might otherwise never meet. For individuals just learning to use eye makeup, these communities offer inspiration and encouragement in a supportive, interactive environment. Additionally, eye makeup enables people to adapt to different roles and contexts, whether it's a professional setting, a night out, or a themed event. Subtle neutral tones can signal seriousness and attention to detail, while glam or colorful looks celebrate individuality and fun. Versatility in eye makeup means that people have the ability to shape first impressions and respond to the expectations of their environment, all with a few brush strokes. Fundamentally, the benefits of eye makeup are woven into the human desire for beauty, self-expression, and connection. It can be practical, playful, empowering, and even healing. Whether used occasionally or woven into daily ritual, eye makeup offers a unique combination of artistry, enhancement, and emotional support. With each carefully applied shade and line, individuals harness a time-honored tool for transformation, self-care, and the celebration of what makes each face unique.